Hi everyone. In the last video, we saw how to add a drop-down control, a fixed size control, and an input box control. Let us delete this now. And in this video, we'll see how to insert an advanced filter control. So I'll go to add a control and click advanced filter. Let me click on the report and something like this pops up. Okay. So there are two different types of field which can be utilized for making this advanced filter. Okay, the first thing is the text-based fields, and the second thing is the number-based fields. Okay, for example, if subcategory is the control field for this advanced control, then this is a text-based field. What does it mean? If I go to view option, I can see different options like equal, contain, starts with, etc. Okay, so these are the options which are available when the control field is a text-based field. Okay, for example, I will click starts with. If my control field value starts with capital A, then what we are expecting, all the subcategories which are having the starting letter as capital A would be used as a filter, and the end results will be displayed accordingly. So let us click enter and see. Now you can see only the subcategories which starts with capital A is shown in the final results in the form of table and scorecards. Okay. Whereas if you're typing small a, no value will be shown because again this filter is case sensitive. Okay. So this is about the text-based control field in advanced filter. Let me delete it and let me again put another advanced filter, but in this case let the control be profit. Okay, so as you know, profit is a number-based field, number-based control field. Okay, when I have a number-based field, then the filtering options changes to equals, between, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, all the different options. If I want my sales to be greater than 30,000, for example, I can type 30,000. But what do I generally expect? The first three subcategories should be displayed. But unfortunately, no such thing happens. Whereas if I type 1000, then all the subcategory, all the sales which are more than 1000 gets displayed here. What is the logic behind it? It simply means that the advanced filter you are using here is going to apply the filter in the source data level and not at the end result level. This, in better terms, I can say that we have seen several thousand rows in our source data of Excel sheet. In that sheet, every sale which was made with a profit of more than 1000 rupees is taken into account for calculation of this. Okay, it does not calculate things based on what is already displayed here, but it is going to calculate based on what is present in the source data. Okay, so in this video, we saw how to use an advanced filter control, how the text-based control fields and number-based control fields differ from each other, and how the filter is applied to source data and not to the end result. We'll catch up in the next video module. Thank you.